I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are getting it done. I wanted to give you guys some cleaning motivation for the week. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I would like to also invite you to clean along with me, or if you would just want to simply kick back and watch me clean while you enjoy the music, by all means go ahead and do so. Thank you for stopping by, and if you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. And if you are not new and you have not subscribed yet, I would like to invite you to do the same. Thank you so much for clicking on that notification bell so you do not miss out on my next upload. I do upload on Sundays and Thursdays at 2:30 p.m. I know this video is actually not going up at 2:30. I'm so sorry for that, but usually my upload time is 2:30 Sundays and Thursdays, so do look out for that. Make sure that bell is on. So anyways, I don't want to keep talking too much. I would like you guys to enjoy this video, enjoy the music. So let's go ahead and get started.
But you can't hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me. But now I'll lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know, no. I'm about to explode. For permission, no, I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know. I'm about to explode. Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad for business. Not good with consequence. I find myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions. bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good loving, something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you.
So I recently purchased this tablecloth and the plastic cover for my table because I was noticing some of the scratches were appearing on my table, and I just wanted to protect it and also make sure that the kids don't damage it furthermore. So I bought this tablecloth and I wanted something pretty, but I also wanted something that will be effective and durable for the children. So that's why I got the plastic cover, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and link both the tablecloth and the plastic cover down below. It's from Amazon, just in case you're interested in buying a tablecloth or doing the same thing. You can also put the plastic directly on your table just to protect it if you do have little ones. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. It will be down below in my description box.
And still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, but then now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a hill, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for the video. Hit that notification bell and the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.